Basic terminology in sample collection. Learning objectives. At the end of this session, the participants will be able to understand the meaning and essence of key terms used in the entire module, to standardize the use of these terms in laboratory and other sample collection areas. Let us look at the terms. Sample. Primary sample. Set of one or more parts initially taken from a system. This is a definition from ISO 15189 standards. However, in some countries, the term specimen is used instead of primary sample, which is the sample prepared for sending to or as received by the laboratory and which is intended for examination. So there are various samples, for example, urine sample, blood sample, sputum sample, stool sample. However, the word specimen and sample may be used interchangeably. Phlebotomy. It is a process of drawing blood by puncturing vein. Phlebotomist is a person or are people who are trained to draw blood from a person or animal for tests, transfusions, donations, or research. So phlebotomy, we can in simple terms say it is primary blood sample collection, and phlebotomist is the person who is collecting that sample. Let us look at a short video. Essential to laboratory and sample collection, there are few terminologies which are related to quality systems. The first is quality. It is a degree to which a set of inherent characteristics fulfills requirements. Definition from ISO 9000. Quality assurance is part of quality management focused on providing confidence that quality requirements will be fulfilled. Definition from ISO 9000. Quality control. It is a part of quality management which is focused on fulfilling quality requirements. Quality system. It is the organizational structure, responsibilities, procedures, processes, and resources for implementing quality management. Quality management system is an overall management system which is directing and controlling an organization with regard to quality. Let us now look at the quality management system model for laboratory services. The reference is from CLSI Guidelines GP26A4. A laboratory path of workflow follows a typical course of pre-examination, examination, and post-examination processes. The disciplines are covered are chemistry, hematology, microbiology, transfusion medicine, anatomic pathology, cytology, immunology, genetics, and so on. So in a laboratory, typically the order is placed for sample collection, followed by the collection of sample is done, sample is transported, received, and processed. The examination phase starts with the examination or analysis of the sample, followed by review and interpretation. Post-examination processes include report release as well as sample management. These all processes have quality system essentials in them. That includes assessments, continual improvement, documents and records, information management, non-conforming event management, personnel, purchasing and inventory, equipment, process management, organization, customer focus, facilities and safety. All these are components of quality management system for laboratory services. Let us look at what evacuated tube is. These tubes are designed to fill with a predetermined volume of blood by vacuum. The rubber stoppers are color coded according to the additive that the tube contains. Various sizes are available and blood should never be poured from one tube to another since the tubes can have different additives or coatings. Blood sampling systems. Broad categories into closed system and open system. Closed system is most commonly by use of a hypodermic needle and syringe. They reduce the risk of direct exposure to blood and has made it very easy to take multiple samples from a single venipuncture. However, open system uses hypodermic needle and syringes as well as winged steel needles attached to a syringe. Various abbreviations and acronyms will be used in this module on sample collection and pre-analytical best practices. Some of them are BSL, Biosafety Level, EQA, External Quality Assessment, ISO, International Organization for Standardization, LIS, Laboratory Information System, MSDS, Material Safety Data Sheets, POC, Point of Care, PPE, Personal Protective Equipment, QA, Quality Assurance, QC, Quality Control, QMS, Quality Management System. Now go back to your laboratory, look around, and relate the definitions with the items and processes described in this session.